kids, now today first we will do English. Okay, for this take out your English book. This is your English book. Let's learn English. Now open page number 36, that is this one. What is written here? Let's identify. What we have to identify? The question is, look at the small letter in the first row and find and circle its capital letter in the next row. So this is the first row and this is the second row. We have to look at the first row and circle the capital letter from this row. Okay, so what is this? This is small letter A. So what we have to do? We have to first find out the capital letter A, then we have to circle that capital letter A. So I have written this thing in the board. Now I will show you in the board how you will do in your book. Now look at the board. Look, this is small letter A. Now which letter this is? This all are capital letter. Now which letter which capital letter is this? B. Then C. Then which letter is this? This is capital letter A, right? So here is in the first row, which letter is this? Small letter A. So we have we have found capital letter A, right? So what we have to do? We have to circle capital letter A like this. It is already done here in this book. Now we will do next part. That is next question. Look at this letter. Which letter is this? This is small letter C, right? So among these five letters, which one is capital letter C? You have to find out the capital letter C from this row. So this is capital letter C. No, this is capital letter E. This one capital letter O. This one capital letter U. And this one capital letter C. So we have found out the capital letter C, right? So what we have to do? After finding out the capital letter, we have to circle the capital letter like this. Why I have circled capital letter C? Because in the first row it is written capital small letter C. Okay, so whatever is written in the first row, we have to find out that letter in second row. Now what is this? This is small letter B. Now among these five letters, five capital letters, which one is capital letter B? Yes, this one. So we have to circle this B, capital letter B. Small letter B, capital letter B. Then small letter D. Where is capital letter D? This one, capital letter D. So in this way you have to do rest of the part. Okay, this is small letter G. You have to find out capital letter G and you have to circle capital letter G. Okay, in this way do this page number 36 and page number 37. These two pages are your homework. Now you can also pause the video and wrote down the homework. Here I have written the HW. Let's learn English book. Do lesson 23, page 36 and 37. Hello kids, now we will do maths. For this you have to take out your maths book. This one. Which book is this? Let's count 1 to 100. Okay. Now take out page number 48. Look, I have written all the pages which we will do today. Okay. So first we will do page number 48. Rest of the pages we will do later. Okay. First we will complete our number counting. So which number is this? This is number 6. We have already studied how to write number 6. You all know, right? So this is number 6. Now what you have to do? You have to count this all fish. Then you have to trace the numbers. Then after that you have to color all these fish. Okay. Now let's count this fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many fish are there? 6. So here it is number 6. Now in this way you have to first trace the numbers, then in this blank space what you have to do? Yes, you have to write it by yourself. Now I will show you how you will write in your book. Look. Okay, now how you will trace the number 6? In this way. You have to start from here and like this. This is number 6, okay? Now in the blank space, that means in the next page, here you have to write it by yourself. So how you will write? Here in your book you can see that there is a dot. So from that dot you have to write like this. You have to write number 6, okay? So in this way you have to write number 6. So page number 48 and 49 is your homework. Now turn the page, come to the next page. Now tell me which number is this? This is number 7, right? Now we have to count this. What are these? These are cats, right? We have to count these cats. Then after that we have to trace this number 7. Then you have to color these cats. After that you have to trace the number 7 first, then you have to write it by yourself. Now again I will show you how you will write the number 7 in your book. But before that, let's count all the cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many cats are there? 7 cats. Now we will do which number? 7. So how you will write number 7 in your book? Okay, so this is number 7. Now you have to trace the number 7. Start from here, draw a slipping line, then a slanting line. This is number 7. Now here you have to write it by yourself. Start from this point, draw a slipping line, then a slanting line. This is number 7. So in this way you have to write it in your book. Okay, so page number 50 and page number 51 is also your homework. Now turn the page, come to the next page. That is page number 52. Which number is this? This is number 8. Now what you have to do? Yes, first you have to trace the number 8. Then you have to color all the 8 cards with different colors. Okay. Then after that you have to go to the next page. Then here also you have to trace all the numbers. Then here you have to write it by yourself. Now before showing this how you will write in your book, what we have to do, we have to first count the cards. These are cards, right? So let's count how many cards are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 cards and we are doing which number? 8. Now I will show you how you will write number 8. Okay, now here you have to trace number 8. So you have to start from here, okay, like this. in this way and join the lines. This is which number? This is number 8. Now here you have to write it by yourself. So from the dot, you have to start from the dot. Then you have to make a curve line like this. Okay. So which number is this? This is number 8. So which are the homeworks? You have to do page number 52 and page number 53. This is also your homework. Now turn the page, come to page number 54. Now which number is this? Yes, it is number 9. So how many balloons are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 balloons. Now after that, what you have to do? You have to trace the number 9. Then you have to use different colors to color all the 9 balloons. There are 9 balloons. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So you have to color all the balloons with different colors. Then after this, turn the page and come to page number 55. Here you have to trace the number 9. Then you have to write it by yourself. Okay. Here. Now I will show you how you will write in your book. Okay, now how you will trace the number? You have to start from here. Then you have to make a circle, then a straight line. This is number 9. So where you have to start? You have to start from this dot, then draw a circle, then draw a straight line like this. This is number 9. So how many numbers we have done till now? 6, 7, 8, 9. So this page, that is page number 54 and page number 55 is your homework. Now come to the next page, that is page number 56. Now which number is this? This is number 10. 1, 0, 10. So what are these? These are mouse, right? So let's count the mouse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 mouse, right? So after this, what you have to do? You have to color you have to trace the number 10. Then after that, you have to count all the mice and color this mice with crayons. Okay. So how many mice are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 mice. So you have to color this all 10 mice. Then after that, come to the next page. That is page number 57. Here, first trace the number 10. Then you have to write it by yourself. Now again, I will show you how you will write. Okay, so first you have to draw a straight line from here. Draw a straight line like this. This is which number? This is number 1. Then after that, what you have to do? You have to draw a circle from here like this. This is What? Yes, this is 0. So 1 0 10. Now here you have to write it by yourself. Put your pencil on the dot, on the first dot, then draw a straight line like this. This is 1. Then again put your pencil on the second dot and make a circle, like a big circle like this. So this is 0. So 1 0 10. So in this way you have to do this page, that is page number 56 and page number 57. These two pages are also your homework. Okay, so now you can pause the video and note down the HW. What is the HW? Let's count 1 to 100 book, means this book. Lesson 25, page 48 to 57. Whatever I have taught you today, you have to do all the pages. Okay, so we have done how many numbers? From 1 to 10. Let's count once again from 1 to 10. Repeat with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Wait. Again, okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So up to 10 we have done our number counting. Okay. Hello kids, now we will do general awareness, that is EVS and GK. Okay, so for this take out this book. Which book is this? Easy Learning General Awareness. Now come to page number 25. That is which chapter is this? Caring for grandparents. So before entering into the chapter, we will discuss about this. Okay, little bit. Now we all have family, right? Some of you have small family, some of you have big family, and who lives in our family? Our parents. In our small family, father, mother and their children lives together. That is a small family. And what is a big family? Where so many people live together, like father, mother, their children, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, cousins, right? So that is called big family. On previous video I have taught you about the family. Now today we are going to discuss about our grandparents. So some of you have grandparents, right? Like grandfather, grandmother, or both of them. Some of you have both of them. So they are the older one in our house, right? So what we have to do, we have to take care of them. We have to love them very much. Okay, we have to spend so many times with them. You can help them in various ways, like you can give them water when they feel thirsty. Then you can help them to find out their specs, because as they grow older, they can't able to remember this small things, so we can help them to find out those things. Then after that you can spend your time with them. You can also play with them. You can listen stories, various types of stories from them. So you can also make some gifts for them, and you give it, and you can also give them those gifts. They feel very happy. Okay, if we take care of our grandparents, they feel very happy. They love us very much, right? So like our parents, we also have to take care of our grandparents. Now in this chapter, this is who? This is Shivi, right? So Shivi have also her grandparents, grandmother and grandfather. Now how she helped them to by doing different types of things. and how she cares them, how she loves them. So all the things are written here. So let's see what Shivi do with their parents. First, what she is doing, she gives them water. She is giving her grandmother a glass of water, right? After that, when her grandmother and grandfather are sleeping, she remains quiet because she don't want to awake them with making noise. Okay, she don't want to disturb them. Then after that, she helps them around the house. She helps her grandfather and grandmother in various ways when she is in house. Then she used to go outside and she also plays with them various types of games. Then after that, she listened to their stories. She spent so many times with their grandfather and grandmother, and she used to listen various types of stories from them. She loves that. Okay. Then after that, she gives them cards on their birthdays. Whenever their birthday here means her grandfather and grandmothers. Okay, when their birthday is there, she used to give gifts, cards like this. Okay, so in this way, she show her love. She show how to take care of them. Okay. So after this, you also can show your love, and you can also show some. You also can take care your grandfather and grandmother in this way also. Okay. So you can also make a list how you will help them in various ways, and you can help them on that way. So after this, come to page number 26, that is Home Sweet Home. Okay, this is another chapter. Now, what is home? Why we have to live in a house? Home means where our family lives together, right? Where we live, that is called home, or that is called house. Why we need house? Because we can also stay in roads or streets, but we don't live on there, right? We need a house. Some of you have big house, some of you have small house, some of you are living in apartments, flats, right? So why we need this? Because house help us, house protect us from various things. Just like in summer days, if there is no house, we have to stay in road. So can you stay there in road in summer days? Because on that time it is very hot, right? Or you can say in rainy days, there is very much rain on that time, then thunder is there on that time. So in winter season there is so cold, so you can stay outside on those days? No. So for that we need a house, and it help us, it protect us, house protect us from heat, cold, rain, and animals, from various animals, and also from thieves, like this. Okay, so like that, Shivi also have a new house. She moved to a new house. Okay, and she loves his house. She loves her house, and it protects her from heat, cold, and rain. So in the next part, what you have to do, you have to help her. Okay, help Shivi to draw her new house. So how you will help? You have to trace these lines to make Shivi's house. In this way you can help her to draw her new house. Okay, so this part is your homework. Now pause the video and note down this part. HW Easy Learning General Awareness Lesson 14, page number 26, that is this one.
हेलो बच्चों, सुप्रभात। मेरी तरफ से आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत है इस ऑनलाइन क्लास में। अच्छा बच्चों, पहली क्लास में हमने क्या पढ़ा था? यस, ये बुक निकालो, हिंदी वर्णमाला चित्रावली। क्या नाम है आपकी बुक का? यस, हिंदी वर्णमाला चित्रावली। हमने इस किताब में क्या पढ़ा था? याद है आप लोग को? यस, वेरी गुड। आप सब तो बहुत इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे हो। मैंने आप लोगों को क्या पढ़ाया था, बोलो? हाँ, मैंने पढ़ाया था अ आ इ ई उ ऊ री 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 री। मैंने कहाँ तक पढ़ाया था आप लोग को? अ आ उ री 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 री। यस, आज हम पढ़ेंगे री से। क्लैप, वेरी गुड, बड़े इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे हैं। यस, आज हम पढ़ेंगे री से लेके आहा तक। ओके, चलो सब लोग अपनी अपनी किताबें खोलो, पाठ्य पुस्तक निकालो। हाँ, पेज नंबर यस 8, पेज नंबर 8 में क्या दिया हुआ है? सबसे पहले मैंने क्या गाना गाया था? री 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 री। ये क्या है? री से क्या होता है? बोलो बोलो बोलो। यस, री से ऋषि। देखा आप लोगों ने कौन बैठा है यहाँ पर? ऋषि समाधि में बैठे हुए हैं। वो क्या करते हैं ऋषि लोग? यस, पूजा पाठ करते हैं और इन लोग जंगलों में रहते हैं, वनों में रहते हैं और इन लोग फल और फूल और क्या खाते हैं? पानी पीते हैं, दूध पीते हैं और इन लोग मीट मछली अंडा ये सब नहीं खाते हैं। तो ये है ऋषि। री से ऋषि और री से ऋषभ। ऋषभ किसे कहते हैं? यस, जो बैल होते हैं ना, बैल, उसे कहते हैं ऋषभ। ऋतु और क्या है? ऋण। ये सब री के सारे सुंदर सुंदर तस्वीरें दी गई है। हाँ, सबसे पहले री से ऋषभ, री से ऋषि, री से ऋतु और री से ऋण। अच्छा, ऋतु क्या है? अभी कौन सा ऋतु चल रहा है, बोलो? यस, वर्षा ऋतु। वर्षा ऋतु में क्या होता है? बारिश होता है ना। तो ये सब ऋतु दिया है, ग्रीष्म, वर्षा, शरत, हेमंत, शीत और बसंत। ओके, अभी हम पढ़ेंगे ए। क्या पढ़ेंगे? ए। कहाँ है? देखो ए, ये ए है, इसे हम बोलेंगे ए और इसे हम बोलेंगे ए। ए जब बोलते हैं तो तब हम क्या करते हैं? धीरे से बोलेंगे ए। और जब हम ए, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? ए ओ औ। ठीक है, अभी हम पढ़ेंगे ए में क्या दिया है? ए से एक दंत और ए से एक। सबको पता है ना एक क्या होता है? 1 2 3 जो गिनती होती है ना, वो सबसे पहले गिनती में क्या आता है? एक। वो भी ए से ही शुरू होता है। ए से एक, ए से एक दंत, ए से एड़ी और ए से इकतारा। जो बजाते हैं ना, जो आते हैं ना कभी कभी घरों में पूजा करने के लिए, ऐसे से बजा बजा के आते हैं, एक तारा बजाते हैं। हाँ, वो भी किससे शुरू होता है? ए से। वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, वेरी गुड। उसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे आई। ए के बाद क्या आता है? आई। ये देखो, ए और आई एक ही जैसा है। क्या होता है? बस ए हम धीरे बोलते हैं और आई को हम थोड़ा जोर से बोलते हैं। हाँ, आई से क्या क्या है? आई से ऐनक, आई से एम्बुलेंस और आई से ऐरावत। ऐरावत देखा है आपने? मेला में कभी कभी आता है, देखना ऐरावत। उसके ऊपर बैठते हैं, डिक्कर चिक्कर करके हम लोग चलते हैं। ओके, अभी हमने क्या पढ़ लिया? ए भी हो गया, आई भी हो गया। अभी हम पढ़ेंगे ओ। बोलो सब लोग, ओ। मुंह को गोल घुमाओ। यस, ओ से क्या होता है? ओले। देखा है जब बारिश होता है, जब ओले गिरते हैं, सफ़ेद सफ़ेद रंग के गिरते हैं ना ओले, हाँ उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? ओले। उसके बाद ओढ़नी, ओढ़नी मतलब चुन्नी। ओ से ओले, ओ से ओढ़नी, ओ से ओठ। टच योर ओठ, सब लोग पकड़ो तो अपने लिप्स में। हाँ, ये क्या है? ओठ। सभी का है ना ओठ अपना अपना। सभी बच्चे अपने होठ में धीरे से टच करो, तो दूर से ऐसे दिखाओ का है ओठ। यस, ये क्या है? ओठ। ये भी ओ से शुरू होता है। ओस। ओस क्या होता है? जब ठंडी के मौसम में पत्ता में गिरता है ना, ड्यूज जो बोलते हैं हम लोग, फॉग जैसा, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? ओस। देखो पत्ती में गिरा है ना, पत्ते में। ओ से ओस, और ओ से ओखली। ओखली भी होता है ओ से। हाँ, जिसमें हम क्या करते हैं? कुछ कुछ कूटते हैं, ऐसे ऐसे करके डालते हैं, टक्कर टक्कर करके इसके अंदर मसाला भी पीसते हैं। ओखली। वेरी गुड, बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है ना पढ़ने में। यस, अभी नेक्स्ट पेज निकालो। औ। औ में क्या दिया है? औ से औषधि, औ से औजार, औ से औरत, और औ से औषधालय। औषधालय मतलब क्या? सब सभी किस्म की क्या मिल रही है यहाँ पर? दवाइयाँ। बीमार होने से हम कहाँ जाते हैं? यस, औषधालय में जाते हैं। और औ से औलाद। औलाद कौन है? तुम सब औलाद हो अपने मम्मी पापा के औलाद, तो इसे हम क्या कहेंगे? औ से औलाद। और अंग से अंगूर, अंग से अंगार। अंगार क्या होता है? जो आग जब जलता है ना, ऊपर से जो ज्वाला निकलता है, जो गर्मी आती है ना आग जलाने के बाद, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? अंगार। अंजीर। अंजीर एक फल है जो खाते हैं। और अंबर। अंबर मतलब आसमान। और अंग से अंडा। अंडा भी है। समझ आया सबको? देखो दिखाओ मुझे, कहाँ है अंडा? ये रहा अंडा। उसके बाद अंग के बाद ये क्या है? ओ, औ, अंग, आहा। देखा? यस। फर्स्ट क्या है? अंग्रेज। नंबर 1 में क्या दिया है? अंग्रेज। उसके बाद दिया है अंगरखा, जो पापा लोग पहनते हैं ना कुर्ता जैसे, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? अंगरखा। उसके बाद अंगूठी, और यहाँ है सपेरा। और आह खाली। खाली मतलब कुछ नहीं। इसमें कुछ दिया है? देखो नहीं, आह खाली। चलो अभी हम यहाँ से एक बार पढ़ेंगे। बोलो। री तो हमने पहले पढ़ लिया, उसके बाद बोलेंगे ए आई ओ औ अंग आहा। समझ आया आप लोगों को? कैसे पढ़ेंगे? री, ए आई ओ औ अंग आहा। ठीक है, चलो अभी हम दोबारा पहले वाला पढ़ाई और आज के पढ़ाई को एक साथ बोलेंगे। हाँ, अ से लेके आहा तक क्या बोलेंगे? बोलो बोलो। यस, अ से लेके आहा तक कैसे बोलेंगे? पहले सब बच्चे खड़े हो जाओ, तो जो जहाँ बैठा है, जो बेड में बैठा है वो नीचे आओ, नीचे उतर जाओ। और जो टेबल में बैठा है, चेयर में बैठा है, टेबल में तो नहीं बैठना चाहिए, जो बच्चे चेयर में बैठे हैं सब खड़े हो जाओ। यस, बोलो। आ इ उ ऊ री 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 ए आई ओ औ अंग आहा। ए आई ओ औ अंग आहा। समझ आया? ऐसे यदि आप लोग याद करते हो तो आप लोग को बहुत जल्दी याद हो जाएगा। ओके, और ये आपका होमवर्क। क्या है होमवर्क? ये जो वर्ण है, जो ये वर्णमाला है, स्वर वर्ण है, ये सब आपको याद करके आना है। कहाँ से? री से अह तक। ये जब स्कूल खुलेगा तो मैं आप लोगों से सुनूंगी कि किस किस ने याद किया और किस किस ने नहीं किया। जिन बच्चों ने याद किया उनके लिए बहुत ज़ोर ज़ोर से क्लैप होगा, और जिन्होंने याद नहीं किया तो उनको तो मैं बहुत डांटूंगी। ठीक है? ये आपका होमवर्क। थैंक यू, बाय।